Today we will be making the Harmless holder, which is a drink carrier designed to be more environmentally friendly and safer for the animals. The problem with the traditional plastic carrier is that it is very harmful to animals, and it is also harmful to the environment as it doesn't degrade very well. So by optimizing these materials, we can make a carrier that is safer for the environment and better for the animals.
For this activity, you will need the following materials: 6 cans of soda, seltzer, or juice, a cardboard sheet roughly about 8.5 by 11 inches, copy paper, duct tape, or really any kind of tape will work, wax paper, string, paint stirrers, and rubber bands. Before we begin, brainstorm a couple different options for your design. Looking at your materials, try to come up with a couple different ideas on how to design a handle, how to arrange the cans, how to remove the cans, and what kind of impact these materials could have on wildlife. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. For my design, I chose to use cardboard and wax paper as my base, so I placed all the cans in the middle of the board and folded the cardboard around them to prevent any sliding or movement. I taped the sides with masking tape, and as you can see, it is not as strong as duct tape, so I had some issues with getting it to stick. Using a strong tape here would be ideal. After taping the box, I created a drink separator out of cardboard. I used these cardboard cutouts instead of the paint stirrers since that is what I had on hand. I was able to cut slits in the cardboard so they would nest in each other and provide separation for the cans. Next, I added rubber bands to ensure that the cardboard stayed together and also provide more general support for the case. For my next step, I moved to working on the handle. Here's another area where you can really get creative. I decided to use wax paper as my holder by taping it to each side. I did have some problems with getting the tape to adhere and hold the handle in place, especially when supporting the weight of the cans. A solution to this might be to make a longer strip and have it run all the way around the bottom of the case. And that's it! You now have a case that is designed to be more environmentally friendly and safer for animals, all built of materials you have at home. I hope you enjoyed participating in this hands-on activity.